Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Teams and your audio device are ready. Open the Teams desktop app and sign in, then go to Settings, Notifications, and enable Play Sound for incoming calls and notifications. This turns sound playback on so any later changes actually trigger. While here, make sure your default playback device and volume are set correctly in Windows or Mac OS, because Teams uses the system output. Once done, you're ready to change where the sound comes from or modify the system notification sound. Now change the specific notification routing and the system-level sound Teams relies on. In Team Settings, pick the notification category you want to alter, chat, mentions, or calls, and set delivery to banner and feed with sounds enabled. Because Teams uses the OS notification channel, open Windows Sound Control Panel or Mac OS sound effects and replace the system notification sound with your WAV or AIF file, making sure the file format is supported. After swapping the file, sign out of Teams. Finish by testing and fixing common problems. Send yourself a mention or have a colleague trigger the altered notification to confirm the new sound plays. If you don't hear anything, make sure the replacement sound file uses a supported format, is named and placed exactly where the OS expects, and that file permissions allow reading. Also fully quit Teams, not just close, and reboot if needed. If problems persist, revert the system sound to default or reinstall Teams. That resolves most lingering configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.